famous life, CaityB back in the building with another reaction video with MommaB, and we got a reacting time. What's up fam, it's life, CaityB back in the building with another reaction video, and we're gonna be reacting to... Oh, with MommaB of course, you know. Life CaityB is MommaB and we're gonna be reacting to... the cuzzy Ezra Tupu song Pap Jam. So Pap, I'm guessing, is Papa Toy, and it's a Papa Toy jam. So I'm ready, because we stayed in Papa Toy for a bit, so I wanna feel the vibes of Papa Toy through this song here, because
it just came out in 2013.
Oh yeah, so this dropped 2013.
It's a request from
the cuz himself. So yeah, it says feet Lora, so pretty keen to check it out. Quality, just looking at this little thumbnail thing here, looks pretty good. Okay, let's go. Shout out to Auntie Malik.
Yeah, what's up? What's up? It's your boy Eazy. Yeah, got loads and books. Yo, and news of them pros. Yeah, listen, well here I go. I'ma spit how I feel. I'm going down from that save, but I'm trying to get another one to play. I'm trying to paint a picture on how I do this. The miracles be falling down on this. We got the G's and the fans located one time, so that way we got the party bumping from 8 to the morning. Just looking out for them brothers. Ain't no trouble going down, cause I'm gonna be sure jamming them clowns, but we just chilling, but we killing time, sipping on wine. Ain't no doubt, people running more, cause I'm making running a bomb. It's been a while since the last time I saw you. All they do is just giving a pound to that loose. Put it back up in the zone, and I'm feeling real good. Keeping it real, but I ain't gon' peel from this music that I reveal. Coming down to your city, PAP, Eazy, change up the beats on the key.
Yes, so this guy's from Papa Toy. They stay in Pap.
Yeah, oh
but
my
they're
gosh, Auntie's house.
Otara born and raised too. So
saw my auntie's house in the background, and I was just like, oh, well, she's like my nana. She's my nana.
Yeah, nana.
My heart, man.
Yo, we just rockin' the realest with the beats and tailors. You know I'm homie because I got this. From the E to the A to the C, Y plus the 9, check it, cause we just
She reminds me of
cause I'm sitting right about now, cause we
She reminds me of a Redma. That's what she sounds like.
That's what I was thinking you were going to say. Is that a Redma?
I was going to say a Redma, but then I was like, is it Adisha? I was trying to remember her name. No, because all the A's. Yes.
Wow. She's got a nice song.
Really?
Adisha? Really?
Next I was like, is it Adisha?
Adiz, wow.
Yeah, Adiz. I was like, I was trying to remember her name. Bro, I love her voice.
It's nice and soft.
It's not too hard, but where people are singing like too hard in the chorus. I liked it.
yeah, check it verse 2. It's a nice sunny day. We cooking up the bomb, we having a parlay. But I got my own some sense, straight sipping on that gin. But I got my niece and my brother just had a kid. My Eazy 9 came to 9. Back in the days when we used to bond, sipping on wine, making trouble, it was so fun. Political instinct, I'll be that, I'm selling that. But I'm trying to kill it with these artists inspiring, so check it. From D Dallas, the giant killer, got me inspired from anonymous. And laid back to Jim, from them hypnotics to young, still in time. Keep the beat smash, proof them.
Oh fam, it's hard to concentrate now because we just saw my nana and... Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, I miss her heaps, man. Definitely have to go see her when we go back. Okay. Let mom gather herself a bit so we can... It's just hard every time I'm like, okay, I'm gonna listen again, and then I see Nana again, and then... Cuz I love you for adding the famine. So
I just know that with these guys with Ezra and his sisters, they've always been brought up with family around, church. Always involved in church stuff.
The church in the beginning.
Yeah, and he plays the piano, just like Cuz Jace, Cuz Philly. Very musically talented. Very. I've always envied them. Like I've always wanted to play like Queen on the piano and just listening to these guys play it, man. Jason's just.
It's no surprise he did a song. Because it's
music.
Music's part of their family. Man, cuzzy. Just made my mum cry, cuz. You want to fight? Oh, okay, emotion.
Just lighting up to another summer jam. Breathing and jamming for the G-Funk back. Love for that angry summertime. Respect that. Around here, we just get into a fat jam.
Can I just say that Nana's like looking around like, ako nga kasi, sige guys, fele pese loko.
She's thinking what I'd probably be thinking. Kau nga pese whapea mea o kung no.
Kere pese loko. Oh, man, she's so cute.
Cuz.
It's your boy, got Lora on them books. Yo, and Numa on them pros.
Oh, see those, what's her name? Hosea? From the Australian Idol?
Oh, yeah.
That's
oh,
his mum in there.
Oh.
Because
Oh,
they
when
all
you
went
went
to
to
Papatoe Methodist. Wow.
Oh, man. That actually like gave me goosebumps towards the end. Oh, it just made me cold. What do you think it might be?
You know, the older you get, the more you miss your elders. You have nothing but respect for those who've had a hand in your upbringing. And for those who have given you advice, you know, in your upbringing. Just miss them.
Fucking shot already.
Just really miss home. Oh, fuck. Thanks a lot, Ezra. Anyways, what do you think? I don't think I'd rate it because it's got my family in there. It's got our family, but...
Because of the deeper meaning, you know.
It's just a special request.
Yeah.
Didn't realise that I'd have my auntie in there. But we'll see you soon, auntie.
Yeah,
we'll see you
we
soon.
will. I love the girl singing, Lora.
She's got a
I love her
nice
singing.
voice.
She really brought us on together. I feel like Ezra's good, you know.
And it's about chilling. You know,
chilling, yeah.
relaxing, and all the boys.
All I
are
kept
there.
hearing was drinking wine, and I was like, "Cuz, You bougie, cat.
They're more religious. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah. I can't explain the song. Like, it gives me a pep feeling, but it's just giving me a feeling. Like, I feel like I'm missing something. That's just what it is.
From the song or?
No, I feel like I'm missing, like seeing this video has like a whole part of me that's just like, you know, seeing Nana and all that. Yeah.
We'll see you soon. See you soon.
Cuz what you just did to us. I don't even know what to say.
Whew. Just maybe a short message. Remember your elders. Look after your parents while they're still here. No use crying after they're gone. When you could have done something while they're alive. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment you have with your parents. The older they get, make it easy for them. Don't give them hard times and cause them more stress the older they get.
Well, yeah, fam, nothing more to say. Hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. Especially MommaB got more of a reaction out of her. Yeah. Oh, bro, that just made me down buzz. It's supposed to be a Pap Jam, and now it's like a Pap Jam.
Just now looking forward to going to New Zealand.
Yeah. You know, I want to bump this around here so everyone knows. Pap Jam. Thank you, cousins, for requesting.
Tupu family and Papatoi.
Thanks, Tupu fams, and big shout out to you guys and Nana and Gramps out there as well. That was in the clip. Yeah, big shout out to the uncles and aunties and cousins there too. Can't wait to see you guys soon. Can't wait to see you guys soon.
Can't wait to hear the growlings first and then miss you.
And then growlings. Much love to you guys. Stay safe. And see you guys in the next video, fam. Bye.